the final part of the plywood sheeting that remains is the one that is associated with our slab. So to do that, again, make sure you've loaded your families, the slab plywood family from your from insert, and then load family. And once this is done, if you click on component, place a component, and then use this arrow, you can go and select your floor plywood, which is that one in my case. And again, this is a face-based family, so you can only place it on a face. I want to place it on this bottom side of the slab, so yeah, rotate and then place it there. Now it's too small, as you can see. We need to play with the dimensions, so the length of it should be set to, say, 10,000, because that's the length of my slab. And then maybe the width as well, set it to 10,000. Again, it's the same concept that applied for the beams and columns. We want the plywood to be a bit bigger than the actual dimensions of the slab to allow for more leeway in terms of, you know, the cover for reinforcement and so on. So so this might be a bit too big. We can decrease the width a bit, say 9,500. And then if we look at, yeah, so this looks more reasonable. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now the thing to note over here is that even though we've got two levels, the only formwork that we placed was for the bottom level, and the reason for that is because typically on a construction site you'd be reusing these formworks. So you'd pour your concrete for your first level, and then you'd shift these to your second level, and that's what we're going to be basically achieving in our simulation. So in our simulation we'll be using the components on this bottom level and transferring them to the upper level in order to start the construction process. So stay tuned.